What if I told you that your entire investing strategy could fit on a sticky note and still outperform 90% of your coworker Dave's diversified portfolio? Yeah, the same Dave who just bought Dogecoin. Again, here's the wild part. You don't need to track 400 stocks, time the market like a wizard, or pay a financial advisor who vacations more than your doctor. All you need is 4 ETFs. Just 4. That's it. And no, this isn't financial sorcery, it's simplicity with strategy. So buckle up, because we're diving into the only 4 ETFs you'll ever need to build wealth, crush anxiety, and maybe, just maybe, retire before your knees give out. Let's go. VOO is the S&P 500 ETF from Vanguard. Classic, yes, but don't confuse classic with boring. That's like saying Warren Buffett is just some old guy with Coke stock. Here's what you're really buying: a slice of Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, and basically the entire Avengers lineup of American capitalism. VOO gives you instant ownership in 500 US giants, without needing to know what half of them do. Seriously, does anyone actually understand how Broadcom works? Performance: 18% return in the past year, over 100% in the last 5, and fees practically non-existent. We're talking $3 a year for every $10,000 invested. That's cheaper than your Netflix password sharing fine. But what if your portfolio could do more than just grow? What if it paid you, like, literally? Let's add some sweet, sweet cash flow. SCHD is like the sugar daddy of ETFs. Steady, reliable, and drops cash into your account while you sleep. Yielding around 3.6%, it's not just handing you income, it's raising that income year after year. 13 consecutive years of dividend increases, even during COVID. When everyone else was hoarding toilet paper, SCHD's companies were handing out checks. And we're not talking shady high-yield companies either. This is dividend quality. Names like Coca-Cola, Pfizer, Verizon, Home Depot. These companies don't panic, they profit. Even better, SCHD often outperformed the S&P before the AI rally showed up. It's the grown-up in the room, bringing balance to your caffeine-fueled tech bets. Speaking of tech-fueled bets, let's supercharge this portfolio with a little futuristic firepower. QQQM is like QQ's cooler, more efficient little brother. Same 100 biggest NASDAQ companies, just cheaper to hold. It's the Elon Musk of ETFs, flashy, forward-thinking, and occasionally insane, but in a profitable way. Half the fund is tech, the other half, also tech, in disguise. This is where you find Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, and whatever company just announced revolutionary AI for your fridge. Why QQQM over QQQ? It charges slightly less. That might seem small, but over 20 years, that's a yacht. Okay, maybe a kayak. But still, it's your kayak. And this isn't about timing the next tech boom. It's about making sure you never miss one. All right, we've got growth, we've got income, we've got innovation. But what happens when the market throws a tantrum? Time for a chill pill. VTV is your value play. Think of it as the dad ETF. Not flashy. Doesn't text back quickly. But when the market crashes, VTV is the one showing up with jumper cables and a Costco-sized emergency fund. VTV holds companies that are profitable but underpriced. JP Morgan, Exxon, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson. These aren't meme stocks, they're cash cows in suits. During downturns, VTV shines. During upturns, it keeps up surprisingly well. It even pays a decent dividend, because who doesn't like getting paid while waiting for the world to calm down? Now, here's where the magic happens. These 4 ETFs aren't just good, they're great together, like the financial equivalent of the Ninja Turtles. Each one plays a role. Here's how they work together. VOO gives you broad market strength and consistent growth. SCHD adds steady income and dividend stability. QQQM goes beast mode on tech and future innovation. VTV provides ballast during storms, aka market crashes, inflation spikes, or billionaire cage matches. You can even tailor the mix, young and hungry. Go heavy on QQQM and VOO. Mid-career and cautious? Balance it out with SCHD and VTV. Retired and chill? Lean toward SCHD and VTV and sip that income like a poolside margarita. No bonds, no gimmicks. Just 4 ETFs doing the heavy lifting while you live your life. And if you're thinking, but wait, what about rebalancing? It takes less time than brushing your teeth. Once or twice a year, click a few buttons. Done. So yeah, 4 ETFs, that's it. VOO, SCHD, QQQM, VTV. No crystal balls, no Wall Street whispers. Just a simple, powerful system that works, whether the market's booming, crashing, or just being moody. Which ETF are you most excited to add? Let me know in the comments. And if you already hold one of these, congrats. You're smarter than 98% of TikTok's finance influencers. If this helped you stop overthinking your investments, or at least made you chuckle while learning, smash that like button like it's a meme stock at market open. Subscribe for more no-nonsense, no-jargon investing content. And hey, maybe even retire before the robots take over. I'm out. Stay rich, stay rational.